Hey guys, it's Makaya. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you can tell by the title of this video, this will be a very green, very fall inspired makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this eye look and this lip, please keep watching. Hey you guys, so to start off this eye makeup look, we're going to go into the Morphe 35B palette with this fluffy blending brush from ABH Cosmetics. I'm going to go in with this yellow shade. It's really bright yellow shade. Sorry, I do not know the names of these shades. Of course, with Morphe palettes, there are no names unless you're using a Jaclyn Hill palette, but yes, I'm going in with this pretty bright yellow. Now I'm taking the same brush, as you can see, and I'm going in with a green shade, and I'm putting it directly into the crease. So you basically wanted to put the yellow in the transition area, and now you're going to put the green directly into your crease. It's okay if it's not super pigmented. We're just using that to work our way to the super dark olive green. Now with my Sigma E25 brush, I'm going into the shade Enchanted in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is her first palette. It's not the little, you know, the 3 different ones that she has, or the 4 different ones. This is the first one that she has. This is a shade Enchanted. Basically, I'm doing a halo eye. So you're gonna go into your inner corner and your outer corner and in your crease. Basically, you're avoiding the center part of your eye. It's okay if you get some of the shadow on it, but you don't want to put too much. You're not covering your whole eye. Now I'm going into the shade Diva with a eyeshadow brush, a flat brush, and I am going to spray it just a tad bit so the shade comes up really shimmery and pigmented, as you can see. I really love this eye look. It was really simple, not hard at all. I know it, you know, with using colors, it can look like it's hard, but it's really not. So now I'm going in with my liquid liner. This is my favorite liquid liner of all time, but I'm so sad that I can no longer buy it at a store because it is now discontinued. Now I'm going in with some mascara. You guys, sorry if I'm saying but I'm just in a mood. But yeah, I'm going in with the Maybelline Makeup Shayla mascara. This is my favorite one. It is so good. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going back into the Morphe 35B palette with a pencil brush. It can be with any kind of pencil brush that you have. Doesn't have to be a super detailed one, just any kind of pencil brush you have. I'm going in with the yellow, and then I'm going to go in with that second shade that we used, that green that's in the Morphe palette. And we're going to use the same brush, and we're going to place it. Did I use the same brush? I think I did use the same brush. Whatever, I probably didn't. No, I did not use the same brush. I used a different brush, but you can use the same brush. You know, the yellow is not going to disturb the green from showing up green. So I use a different brush, but you don't have to. But we're just going to take that green and put it on our lower lash line, the same as the yellow, but just a little bit tighter in, because you want it to look like an ombre effect. You guys, I don't even know what kind of brush this is. All I know is it's like that flat brush. I don't even know what kind of brush it's technically called, but as you can see, it's just like a, what you call a detail brush for you to get close to your, you know, your lash line, waterline, or whatever. But I'm using it to put the same shade Enchanted that we used in our crease to do the halo effect. I'm using that for the lower lash line just to give it a little bit more depth. And now I'm going in with my favorite liner of all time, at least for my waterline. This is the Maybelline, Milani gel liner. It's so good and it stays so long. You don't have to worry about it fading or running. It's so good. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution highlighter. This is a strobe lighter in the shade Gold Addict. And I'm just going to place that in my inner corners. Of course, because this is not a Makaya look, I always say it, if there's no highlighter in my inner corner. It just pulls the look together to me. And then I'm going to use a little bit to highlight my brow bone. Now for the lips, we're going in with the Ruby Kisses lip liner, and this is in the shade Cocoa. You can find these at your local beauty spot store. They're only 99 cents, so I always buy like 5 and 6 of them at a time. So this is in the shade Cocoa, very natural, very close to my skin color, so that's why I love this one. I use it literally in almost every makeup tutorial. And then I'm gonna go in with my MAC lipstick. This is a mini that I got. I think it was like a buy one get one free. I bought a regular size MAC lipstick and I got the mini for free. And this is in the shade Velvet Teddy. Such a pretty pink nude, perfect for people of color. Like if you're my shade, a little bit darker, a little bit lighter. This would be a really nice nude on you. I know it comes off really pink, but it's a really nice nude. Now I'm going in with my NYX, or you can call it NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Fortune Cookie. You guys, I have been looking for this lip gloss for the longest because if you go to the beauty supply store, they are always sold out. This shade is always sold out. And now I know why, because it's like the perfect nude gloss. Like it transitions your nude lips to like perfection. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, you guys. Mwah. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave all of your comments down below. All of the details on the products that I use will be in the description box. Also, I will be uploading a lot of fall videos, so you know, stay tuned. And also comment down below and let me know if there are any video ideas that you guys want to give me for like fall, winter, whatever looks, colors you want me to use. And let me know down below if you guys like the quality of this video better than my normal videos, because I'm filming with my Canon camera, and the other videos that I have been filming were with my Sony camera. So let me know if you notice the difference, or if you like this quality better, because I do. I just think personally it looks a little more HD, like better quality. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.